What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I thought it might be kind of fun to show you what a typical morning looks like for me. These are things that I do to kind of set the tone for the day and to have a productive day. First things first, I like to wake up as early as possible. Lately it's been so difficult, but as soon as I wake up, I kind of like to get some sort of exercise in, whether that's working out with my sister, riding the Peloton, or taking Cashy Boy for a little walk. So that is what I did this morning, went for a little walk with him. As soon as I get home, I guzzle down as much water as possible and then take a quick shower, and I'm ready for my skincare and makeup routine. I keep my routine really simple, especially on work days. The first thing I do is add a little bit of SPF, and then I'll take some eye cream under my eyes because my under eyes have been so dry lately. I don't know what it is. Of course, a little bit of chapstick, and then I am really trying to grow out my natural lashes. So I've been using Babe Lash, and so far I'm loving it. I don't care about love, just need your touch. On to my workday makeup routine, which is ridiculously simple. I first start by filling in my eyebrows, and this is just to kind of give them a little bit more definition. I do have some sparse areas. And then I just go in with a little bit of concealer under my eyes, maybe around my nose, just anywhere where I have dark spots or like redness. And then I set all of that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. The last step is bronzing up the face. I just add a little bit of bronzer all over my face just to give me a little bit of color. Then I take my hair out of my little extra long Turby twist. I got these on Amazon and they are amazing, you guys. I will leave everything I talk about today linked below. And of course, the power of editing. Hair is blow dried and curled. I wish it was that quick and easy every day. And my last step is to pick out what jewelry I plan on wearing for the day. You guys know I love my gold pieces from Ana Luisa. I have so many different items from them. If you guys don't know, Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company that makes quality pieces that are also affordable. Their pieces start at just $39, and I feel like they always have sales going on, which is really nice. So the earrings I just pulled out are the Rocks Small, and it's funny because I was actually already wearing the Rocks Minis. That's how much I love them. I wear them all the time. These ones here are called Cruise. How adorable are these? Ugh, I just love the little dangly detail. Like, I am obsessed. And then these last earrings here are called Paris, and I've always wanted a pair of hoops like these, so I think these are the ones we're gonna go with today. Ana Luisa was kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. If you use the code NicoleAmber10, you will save 10% off of your purchase. Tell me those don't add just a little something something. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but you don't have to go somewhere to look amazing. Look amazing in the comfort of your own home. I will have Ana Luisa's website as well as the coupon code linked below. Go check them out. It's time to change into some real clothes, and by real clothes, I mean pajamas. So I just decided to throw on this little equality t-shirt with some sweatpants, and I just threw on some slides. Once again, I'm just staying home, working from home, trying to be comfortable. I feel like you can't have a proper productive day without a cup of coffee. So I am making a cup of coffee. I actually got these pods from Target. So if you guys have the Nespresso that has the Vertuo pods, they now sell them at Target. I would say that sitting down, relaxing, and enjoying my cup of coffee is the thing I look forward to most in the mornings. It's my favorite thing to like go pick out a mug, decide what flavor creamer I'm going to have that day. Like, it's just a whole vibe. I used the tiniest splash of skinny syrup. This one's in vanilla. I get it from Home Goods, 0 calories, and then I do 1 tablespoon of creamer. I recently got this like portable like milk frother thing from Amazon, and you really have to be careful with this thing because the amount of times I've splattered coffee all over the place, too many to count. My go-to breakfast lately has been one of these Light and Fit yogurts with granola on top, and this granola is the best granola I've ever tasted in my life. It's coconut and cashew butter. I get it from Target. It's not a want, it's a need. So you guys need to head out to Target right now and get you a bag because it is so bomb. I love getting up extra early just so I have time to sit here, enjoy my coffee, enjoy my breakfast, be on Instagram, get on YouTube, like just watch all the videos. By the way, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? I will leave my link down below. Go give me a little follow. I've actually been posting regularly. I know, surprising. For some reason, I get so cold in the mornings when I'm sitting at my desk working, so I'm just putting on my favorite sweatshirt. This is Gabriella's merch. If you guys know, you know. I freaking love her. I would say one of my best tips for having a productive day is to sit down in the morning, take a couple minutes, and write out a to-do list. I do this every single morning because I just love crossing things off. And then of course it's time to actually get to work. So I spend the rest of my day here at my desk between, my regular teaching job, Zooming with my students. If I have like a short break or a lunch, I will package up your guys' orders. I've been putting lots of stuff on Poshmark. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have up, I will leave that link down below as well. I also have like a local cookie business that I run. So if I need to schedule any orders or order any stuff for that, I do that. As well as, of course, my YouTube and Instagram stuff. So I'm a busy girl. So that was pretty much it for my typical weekday morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to check all the links below. Check out Ana Luisa if you guys are interested in adorable jewelry. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.